Welcome to 3D Interop R24. 3D Interop allows applications to import CAD files similar to reading a book. 3D Interop-enabled applications can extract the table of contents, along with the option of reading individual chapters. Applications can import product structure, graphical data, exact geometry, and semantic PMI, either independent of each other or in conjunction with each other. 3D Interop R24 allows applications to bookmark or connect these chapters together. Applications can import the human-readable or graphical PMI along with the machine-readable or semantic PMI elements and can link them together. 3D Interop can import complete visual fidelity for leader lines, dimension lines, feature control frames, and annotation notes as strings, allowing applications to render them with the same visual quality as the source CAD system. Along with importing visual information, 3D Interop also provides complete semantic information for these PMI elements, providing access to the owning geometry and complete associativity from geometric tolerances to the datums and datum targets defining these tolerances. 3D Interop-enabled applications can import both graphical and semantic PMI, allowing users to select a graphical element on screen and extract its semantic values. Applications can not only display the geometrical owners of PMI elements, but can also extract the linked datum and datum target elements for a given geometric tolerance. 3D Interop-enabled applications using PMI for process automation can display PMI with the same look and feel as the source CAD system, and can develop manufacturing and measurement plans by programmatically walking the contents of the semantic PMI. 3D Interop R24 provides this incredible ability for applications to connect the different chapters of data import and use imported data in an intelligent fashion inside engineering applications.